G'day everybody, Ties and Tales here. So you join us on this bit cloudy Saturday morning. I don't know what the date is. Mrs. T might know, but we're going to head up over the hummock in front of us, head into Bargara, have a ride along the foreshore, see who's about, paddle in the wonderful Pacific Ocean, and then we're going to head to a prize-winning bakery for morning tea. And I will be having morning tea. So, yeah. So up to the hummock we go. No, I might not have said I've changed my diet a bit. I'm no longer having, excuse me, sugar in my tea or coffee. And in fact in tea, I'm having it black, as nature intended. That's been a few weeks now, and I quite like it. So, Mrs. T dug out a couple of old teapots, and we're on the lookout for some nice, loose leaf tea and make it properly. So, yeah, anyway, we'll have a look about and see who's about and do a lap at the hummock. And here we are. We've got to be careful how tight I turn, because I've had a bit of a brain fade and put the Insta360 down there, look. I don't know how good that is, but what a view. I would say it's a bit cloudy, but nice and warm. It's a balmy 27. Yeah. So this is our Queensland, Australia, world-renowned pink volcano. A few million years old, I think. I don't think you see it on this camera pointed forward, but that's the Pacific Ocean out there. But I don't think you get a very good perspective. But we'll get a bit closer in a few minutes and have a proper look at it.
I don't think you introduced me actually coming on and talking.
No. Well, I didn't think I had to. I don't think I've got 2 billion passengers. But yes, you're listening to Mrs. Tales, or abbreviated, we'll call her Mrs. T.
You might regret giving me a voice.
It'll be interesting to see if that camera located down there, that 360 camera, picks up the engine noise any better.
Nice to see some colour on the left.
Yeah, nice blossom. Not sure what they are. So here we are at beautiful Bargara. go past the golf course in a minute. So I'm not sure if anybody's watched the last video of my first ride on the KDM 525EXC 6-day version. But I can assure you, this is dramatically more comfortable than sitting on it. Well, that's okay. Need to learn how to do the dirt biking if I can before I get too frail to be able to do it anyway. And then I'll always be wondering why. What if? Oh, that's new over there. How old's that, do you think? That new shopping centre?
Oh, I don't know, about 10 years, but that Bargara Central Hotel's new.
10 years?
I reckon, but they've added bits to it.
The Macca's is new, isn't it?
Yeah, barely new. Bargara's grown beyond belief since we've lived here.
Absolutely. There's Bargara Golf Club. Part of it, the golf course. It's been a while since I've played there, so I can't tell you what fairway that is.
These empty blocks would be worth millions.
You think? So school holidays have finished now, so there'll be a lot less people in this little seaside community than there was last week. And there we are. Thank you very much.
Tides in?
Tell us. Yeah? Lots of coffee shops. Licensed, unlicensed. Obviously, if they're licensed, they're much better. I think if we go left here, we can go to the... is there a surf club round here? Not sure. I could hear a radio, Mrs. Tales.
Can you?
Yes.
Is it yours?
I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you can hear a radio. I'll try and turn it off. Hey, Cardo, radio off. I don't think I've been round here before.
The council do a great job of all the eating areas and free barbecues that you can use.
Yeah. We go to the golf club there, the club room. Very prosperous. Busy day out there. Competition day. Lovely and green. Going to take a lot of water. I can assure you it hasn't rained any great amount for several weeks now, so unfortunately everything is going crunchy underfoot, brown. But it just takes a couple of inches and it brightens up a bit for a month or so. So we're on our way to this gold medal winning pie shop. But I'm not going to have a pie. I'll have a cup of black tea unsweetened.
You know how to live life to the full, my sweet.
Yep.
I think it was some kind of award that they entered out of Sydney and won it.
Oh.
So,
okay.
fair play to them. They've done a great job, so we'll show it in the caption shortly.
Yeah. We'll put a link up. I don't think I've ever done a link. This is tea, but I'm going to do a link.
I think that would be great. Promoting local business, nothing better.
All the kids busy in the water.
Yeah,
surf lifesavers. Yeah, surf lifesavers are out patrolling, looking after people, keeping them safe.
You can smell it, can't you? Water. Looks lovely, but quite damaging to properties.
I think you've got to have a special grade of tin for your roof if you're having tin.
Yeah.
Special light fittings. Outside. I think the salt air does a fair bit of damage, but everybody likes to live here.
Slowly knocking down the shacks and the old houses and replacing with U-Butte homes.
Yeah. $multi-million. We should buy 5 or 6.
Maybe when your channel gets going a bit more, we will. I would imagine some of these are Airbnbs as well.
Oh, no doubt. Investment properties.
Yeah, it's a great spot.
That's one of our haunts when we come on the motorbike. There, look, down there.
So much development since I've last been here. It's huge. I think COVID has certainly been Queensland's friend with interstate migration, people wanting to reevaluate what they're doing.
Escape the lockdowns.
Yeah, what they're doing, how they're doing it, cold weather, for a bit more certainty around lifestyle, getting out and about. I can't blame them.
We never really had any lockdowns, did we?
No, obviously couldn't leave Queensland, but
that was okay.
Yeah. Why would you want to?
I'm thinking about taking this screen off.
Why?
Oh, because it's in the full view of the video all the time. And I don't have it up anyway. I actually like the wind on my face and shoulders. It keeps you cool, especially when it's warming up a bit. Well, it's 28 degrees, so some people like it up. Like this. I never have it up. I haven't been this way before. So I'm hoping we don't get lost. Put a new road through a few years ago, didn't they?
You better not, my sausage roll is calling me.
You don't need one.
I don't care.
We had a sausage roll there on Thursday.
You probably didn't need one then.
Right here.
We're just tagging the coastline, but you can't see it.
Somebody saying their pride and joy. Yeah, the coastline's literally half a kilometre down there. Over there, over this new subdivision. Look how many houses are going there.
Over 50s living. It's huge.
Not over 60s. I wouldn't be allowed to live there because I'm over 60.
I'm not.
Another subdivision. I can smell my chamomile tea. Hopefully we can get a park.
Here we are, Paradise Bakehouse. It's been open and closed a few times, but the people that have got it now seem to have it down pat what they're doing. Very successful.
Okay, Mrs. T, if you'd like to alight.
Nice ride out.
Yeah.
You're glad to get the jacket off, it's a bit warm.
So folks, that was a nice sit down for a cup of black tea, and I actually gave in another sausage roll along with Mrs. T. So we're just going to have a ride round here. Never been round here before, see if we can see any of the ocean, and then we'll go home. So thanks again for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed Mrs. T's contribution to this morning's ride. And I'll say please like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos. Please comment. I'll say have a great weekend and ta-ta for now.